Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Stellar, which has been a daily update for the last couple of days at least. It's been quite volatile, and every day that I looked at it, I actually felt like I could bring some new value to it. So that's also what we'll be doing now. Yesterday, XLM obviously showed a lot of bullish momentum by testing this trend line right here, which is a major trend line, as you can see. And it seems that the trend line has actually held up. All right, resistance was found, and now a significant bearish breakout for XLM, which we also talked about yesterday, has formed. Like yesterday, what I said is that 1220, and basically this whole level between 1220 and 1250 was the main level. That's also the level that's in yellow right now. And XLM actually broke down below that. Now, does that necessarily mean that a rally is not possible anymore for XLM? No, not necessarily. But it is definitely bearish confirmation, all right? So at least to me, my whole image on XLM has turned into something a little bit more bearish. Doesn't mean that it's over. There's still, I think at this point in time, there's still potential as long as XLM, and now we're really diving into specifics, but as long as XLM is like it just found support at 12 cents, a lot is still possible. It's a strong level. I'll delete it now from the chart because I mean, you can also see other lines there, other indications of support, and it looks a bit messy. So yeah, but that's what we'll talk about. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I share updates on XLM, but I also just post my own trades as signals, and you gain access to not only my trading guide to learn how to analyze and trade like me, but also a chat room full of traders, which is, I think, very, very valuable. Apart from that, just if you're interested in that, if you want to become a better and profitable trader, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get into XLM. So what we're seeing as well, which kind of confirms my theory of that we had bearish confirmation, is that the volume is also dropping down pretty massively. Like it's down 40% over the last 24 hours on a Tuesday to Wednesday. That's usually pretty weird. If we take a look at where that volume is coming from, then you can see that there's still quite a lot of volume coming from usually manipulative. Wow, I cannot talk. I might have to cut that out. But manipulation exchanges, all right? You know what I mean. Like Upbit, like SuperX, like Top Credit. Usually if a lot of volume comes from those exchanges, then there's a higher chance of manipulation. So it's risky to short, but most indicators do point towards it, all right? So I do still expect support from 12 cents. With that, XLM will probably retest that 1225, 1250 level. But at this point of time, I would say the most likely scenario is that XLM will find resistance there, and then at some point of time also break down below 12 to get down towards that 1160, 1150 level at least. And from there we'll see. I mean, if the market remains bearish like this, if Bitcoin keeps dropping down, then XLM will probably also fall down further than that, right? So that's waiting a bit. I would say there at this point of time, due to that higher chance of manipulation, and also due to the news that's coming in like 6-7 days, I would say there still is potential for a breakout, but then from 12 cents from that support, XLM would need to get a bullish breakout above 1250. And then I would say it's possible to still get up towards 13.5 cents and 14 cents. But the chances right now in these market circumstances to get a bullish breakout on the 4-hour time frame above 1250, which is a psychological level, there's a lot of resistance there. The 200 EMA is there. To get that is going to be quite tough. All right, so it's possible, but I would say the probability of it is like 10-15%, so low. But that's my take on XLM. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.